Hello, friends. First of all, I want to tell you that I am actually starting a new series, which means I want to, let's say, do a coding series in which I will not stop until I become, say, guardian or something that is hard, you can say. So my goal is now to uh, actually become a good coder and you can say the best coder I want to become because it's my dream always to become an best coder in the world or top coder in the world. So I'm starting a series where I will daily where I will daily or make a list of videos where I will daily do study session in coding and I will solve questions. So let's start it. Hello, hello. Okay. So I will daily solve question and do these questions daily. So let's now start these questions. Sure. Okay. Okay. Let's start with linked list. What is this? Hello. Okay. I now understand what this means. Hello. 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 Okay. Go to Leetcode. So I will start with linked list because I have solved these questions, mainly these two questions, and I understood what this means. So I will solve this now. Let's see how it goes from here. Let's go. I've actually solved this question, I think. Oh my God, what is this? Mhm. Yes, I actually solved this question before. So this question is given at the head of the link determining the list. একটু তুমি দূর যাও না আমার কানের কাছে গ্যার গ্যার করছো একটু আওয়াজ আসছে জোর দিতে There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuous that was just what they can do if there is a cycle in the. So in this we have to return true if there is a cycle in linked list and false if there is no cycle. So let's solve with this an example. 3204. Okay. There is pro. It's my first time doing this, so that's its problem. Why it is not doing, bro? Okay, I can do this with this. Let's say this is the example 3204. Okay, 3204. So it is going like this 3204. It is -4. Okay, it is going here 320 -4. So let's solve this 320 -4. So here we have to, what is the use of this? So we have to do this 320 -4 and we have to find cycle. We can see here it is a cycle. How will we find it? Okay. Okay. So my simple analogy would be this to use slow and fast pointers. Slow moves by 1 and fast moves by 2x speed and slow moves by 1x speed. So let's say both starts from first position, slow and fast. Slow moves here, fast moves here, then slow moves here, then fast moves here. Sorry, fast moves here, then slow moves here, then fast moves here, then slow moves here, then fast moves here. So you can see there is actually it is getting equal here because it has cycle. If there is no cycle, then it will fast will stop at here. So fast will stop at here, and so this means if there is a cycle, at a time, there will be a time if cycle, then that means slow will be equals to fast. This is always true if there is a cycle. Yeah, that is true. But we have to make sure that if there is only one, uh, then it will also be true, but we have to make it wrong. So we will make it wrong by, let's say, fast, let's say slow and fast start from here. So that fast should not be equals to null and fast next should not be equals to null. So that our so that it does not stop here. So if there is only one element, uh, how to remove this eraser? Can't see eraser. So let's do this coding. Confirm. Let's make first. Let's see it is recording or not. Let's say first I will make a pointer of first to head because both start from head, and I will stay make a node of second pointer of second node of slow that will also start from head, while fast is not equals to null because if there is first element because if first element is null then it automatically means it has no cycle, while fast is not equals to null. Fast next is not equals to null. Then I can say slow. Let's move slow to 1. Fast moves by 2 steps. If slow equals to fast, return true, return false, else. Let's say this runs or not. Okay, this runs means my code is getting right. Okay, then I will solve linked list cycle 2 because I have also actually learned now before how to solve this question. Linked list cycle. Linked list cycle. No, I need to. No, save this question. Let's cycle two. Given the head of a link return the phone will detect if there is no cycle return null. So if there is no cycle return null, okay, go back again, solve this question again, and change this. Let's say I want to change. How to change this, I don't know. Okay, this is great, but I can change this from this. Okay, this is great. Linked list cycle 2. Linked list cycle 2. So this is 3204. Okay, 2, 2, 0, 4. So here we have to find the first cycle. We have to find the head of no, 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 no. This is cycle of the same node in the next one. Used to denote the tail. Next one, I have cycling. There is some node that can be again by continuously one and then position is used to detect the index of the node. The tail next point is connected to zero index. It is -1 if there is no cycle. It means 3, 2, 0, -4. Eh? Given the head of a return the node where the cycle begins. So it wants me to return the node where the cycle begins. Means I have to return this node because it starts first cycle. If there is no cycle, return null. Okay, if I cannot find cycle, then I have to return null. I have written here false if there is no cycle. Okay. So what I will do here is I will use slow and fast pointer. Let's say slow pointer moves by 1x, fast pointer moves by 2x. Let's say slow starts from here and fast also starts from here. Fast will move 2 steps and slow will move 1 step. Then fast will move here. Then slow will move here. Then fast will move here. Then slow will move here. Then fast will move here. Then oh look, what I have missed is I'm actually confused. Fast will move here, then slow will move here, then fast will move here, Uh, Slow will move here, then fast will move here, then slow will move here, then fast will move here, then slow will move here, then fast will move here. So here these two meets, slow and fast meets. So what I can say is there. So let's say I have to also make a head node, means first node, and we have to move this also by one, or you can say entry node. I will also move this by one and also move this slow, let's say slow and fast where equals one. I will also move the slow by 1 point and entry by 1 point. They both meet at 1 point, means cycle starts from here. Shit. How do I make a triangle, boy? Let's say what I have to do. I will move both slow and fast by slow by 1x, fast by 2x. And fast by more. If this both meet, if slow equals to fast, then I can say I will start the first equals to have. If slow equals to hard. So I can say while slow is not equals to entry, means it's not equals to head of the element, first element. Move this both by 1x, slow moves by 1, is not erasing, but slow moves by 1x, and entry also moves by first point. There will be a point where these two meets, slow equals to end entry. Then I can say I can return entry, else null. Let's say make first element this star. First, no fast equals to head, list no star, slow equals to head, list star. Also make an entry point, star entry equals to head, while fast is not equals to null, and fast Next, it's not equals to null. Fast moves. Next, no, sorry. Fast, 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 and slow moves. One steps. If slow equals to fast, if slow equals to fast means if these both are equal, then I can say while if both slow and fast are equal, I can say while slow is not equals to entry, entry while slow is not equals to entry, while slow is not equals to entry means I think to move 1 point, entry moves 1 point, entry equals to entry, next, and slow moves 1 point, slow, next, if slow equals to fast. Sorry, I have to then return. Return entry because this is where I will find my element, and if I cannot find, then I will return null. Oh my god, I have written wrong spelling. Oh my god, first time's first win. Let's go. Let's take the screenshot of this and finish this video right here because I have I have work to I have actually have to learn some things and I have few time left. So again I will meet again to make the next video, and my main goal here, not goal, I will say top uh, programmer or best. This is my main aim, top best programmer. Okay, so I will stop this video right here and again come to this next video. Let's go. Thank you friends for seeing this video till here.